DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Yes, Trump Media stock sitting a good 29, just a tad bit lower than $30. And it's been a very interesting ride, because if I look at it without any drawings right now, from like a weekly perspective, you're going to see that. Look at this thing. Look, all over the place. Last 3 weeks combined, we've definitely gone up around 17 plus 53, 60, it's the 70 plus that, and then like 81% or so if my brain did the math correct. Doesn't matter. I'm still looking to double down on this bullish momentum that we're already experiencing right now. Obviously nothing like long term, but because obviously elections coming, so I'll keep you updated for that as well. But for right now, if it pulls down and gives me a decent double break, DJT is something that I'm willing to buy. I mean, time and time again, here's a proof of me even calling it out beforehand, but the rules never got met there. So if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.